Pose with the bands. Pose with the pose with the pose with the bands. Pose with the pose with the pose with the bands. Bands. Pose with the bands.
This study focuses on developing an automated electricity bill calculator.
Isang console-based approach ang ginawa upang gawing mas madali at mas accurate ang pag-compute ng monthly household electricity bills.
Sa panahon ngayon na mataas at mabago-bago ang presyo ng kuryente, ano ba yan? Ang mahal ng kuryente namin ngayong buwan?
Oo nga, kami rin medyo mataas yung bill ng kuryente namin. Mahalaga na ang consumers ay may paraan para ma-check at ma-compute ang kanilang bills ng mabilis at hindi komplikado.
Through this project, nais tayong ipakita kung paano nakakatulong ang automation sa paglilinis ng data at pagbawas ng computation errors, pagpapadali ng proseso at pag-estimate ng electric bills gamit lang ang basic information mula sa user.
The main objective of this study is to create a console-based electricity bill calculator na simple, maaasahan at madaling gamitin ng ordinaryong users.
Specific objects include: number 1, to compute the electricity consumption accurately based on the provided readings.
Number 2, to automate the calculation of the monthly bill using the standard rate per kilowatt hour. Number 3, to provide an accessible tool na makakatulong sa households na mas maintindihan ang kanilang electricity usage at billing.
The program starts by asking the user to enter their first and last name. Then it prompts for the previous and current electricity meter reading to determine how much electricity the consumer has used. The program ensures that only valid numbers are accepted. The user is asked to choose an electricity provider. Currently, only one provider is supported, and the program handles invalid or unsupported selections by guiding the user to enter the correct choice. The program prompts the user to select their type of consumer: residential, commercial, or industrial. Each type has a specific electricity rate. The program assigns the correct rate to ensure the input is valid. The user enters the number of days their payment is delayed. If the payment exceeds the grace period, a penalty is calculated and added to the electricity rate, which increases the total bill accordingly. Then, the program calculates the number of units consumed by subtracting the previous and current reading. Then, it multiplies the units consumed by the selected rate determined by the total electricity bill. Finally, the program displays a summary for the consumer, including their full name, units consumed, rate per unit, and total bill.
All if and else statements in our code. Number 1 is input validation, the previous reading. 2, the current reading. Number 3, provider choice validation. If, else plus switch inside else. 4 is the customer type validation. And last is the payment penalty, late payment penalty.
Here are the variables used in our automated electricity bill calculator. We use a total of 5 global constants: residential rate, commercial rate, industrial rate, late payment penalty rate, and grace period days. We also use a total of 10 local variables: first name, last name, previous reading, current reading, payment delay days, customer type, kilowatt hour consumed, provider choice, rate, and bill.
All if and else statements in our code. Number 1 is input validation, the previous reading. 2, the current reading. Number 3, provider choice validation. If, else plus switch inside else. 4 is the customer type validation. And last is the payment penalty, late payment penalty. Here are all the do-while loops in our program, shown exactly as they appear. Our program contains 2 do-while loops. Number 1, do-while loop for provider choice. This loop keeps asking until the user enters provider 1, then echo 2. Number 2, do-while loop for customer type. This loop repeats until the user enters 1, 2, or 3. Here are all the switch statements in our program. Our program contains 2 switch statements, each with 3 cases. Number 1, switch statement for provider choice. This switch executes after the provider input passes validation. Cases inside this switch is case 1, case 2, and default. Number 2, switch statement for customer type. This switch assigns the correct rate based on the customer type. Cases inside this switch is case 1, case 2, and case 3.
In conclusion, the automated electricity bill calculator shows that even a simple console-based program can make a significant difference in ensuring accuracy, efficiency, at convenience sa pag-compute ng monthly electricity bills.
Kahit basic ang interface ito, nagagawa nitong bawasan ang human error at mas mapadali ang proseso para sa mga users.
This project demonstrates the value of automation and how it can empower individuals to better understand their electricity consumption, improve budgeting, at maging informed pagdating sa paggamit ng kuryente.